So it's a nice gloomy weather here in San Diego, and it's not that I don't like driving in the rain, it's just that I'm fucking scared. People in San Diego cannot drive in the rain at all. That is our #1 weakness. I personally am not afraid of driving myself in the rain, but I am afraid of other people driving in the rain. There's accidents here, there's accidents there, there's an accident about to happen right now, and I just washed my car. Oh, I hate that shit. You wash your car the day before it rains, and you're just like, fuck this shit. Waste.
And when I feel I can't go on, you come and hold me. It's you and me forever.